Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by making sure the Redmi 9A has enough charge and your screen is unlocked. This prevents interruptions while enrolling. Open Settings, then tap Passwords and Security to find Fingerprint. Once done, you'll be prompted to enter your screen lock PIN or pattern. Do that now because the phone requires authentication before adding a fingerprint. Make sure your finger is clean and dry. This helps the sensor read consistently and reduces failed scans during the next steps. Now you'll enroll the fingerprint. Place your fingertip on the rear sensor and hold until the phone vibrates or shows progress. You'll repeat this many times. Once done with the first center area, lift and reposition your finger to capture the edges and different angles so the sensor learns varied contact points. Continue tapping as instructed until the progress bar reaches full. Make sure to adjust slight angles and pressure so the phone can recognize your finger reliably in daily use. Finish by naming the fingerprint and enabling unlock options for the lock screen and payments if you want. This keeps things organized. Test by locking the phone and unlocking with the enrolled finger. If recognition fails often, add a second fingerprint or re-enroll the problematic one with more edge scans. Once done, if you still get issues, wipe the sensor surface gently with a microfiber cloth and re-enroll. That usually fixes recognition errors caused by dirt or...
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.